We are back. Today is 24th December. So our topic is drawing a line on Jammu and Kashmir delimitation exercise. Okay, let's start. Any attempt to repurpose the politics of Jammu and Kashmir with the delimitation exercise is bound to fail. So basically, we will cover one by one, and this is our part one. And after that, after some time, I will upload second part also. Okay. You can watch, you can listen or watch anywhere whenever you get time. Let's start. The proposed remapping of assembly constituencies in the Union Territory UT by the Jammu and Kashmir Delimitation Commission has got the entire spectrum of regional parties in the Kashmir Valley up in arms. At the core of their protest is the fear of a shift of political power to the Jammu region. The commission has suggested six additionally assembly segments in Jammu from 37 to 43 and one in the valley from 46 to 47. The political map is being redrawn not entirely on consideration of the population split. Additional constituency is being proposed based also on a factor of inadequate communication and lack of public conveniences due to their excessive remoteness or inhospitable conditions on the international border. Such considerations may have been applied in earlier instances too, but what makes the present situation unique is the shift of political power from the Muslim region to the Hindu region, and the fact that it comes after the reorganization of the erstwhile Jammu and Kashmir state into two union territories and the controversial elimination of its special constitutional status in 2019. The commission was constituted on March 6, 2020 by virtue of the Parliament Act under the provisions of Part B of the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019. It was mandated to redraw and delineate seven additional assembly segments to the 83-member Legislative Assembly of the Union Territory. The Commission has also suggested reserving seven seats for scheduled castes Hindu that mainly populate the Samba, Kathua, Jammu, Udhampur belt, and for the first time ever, earmarking nine seats for scheduled tribes, which is likely to benefit the Rajoi Poonch belt with the highest concentration of STs, many non-Kashmiri speaking Muslims. The commission is yet to reveal the names of the districts where these seats have been carved out, and the STSC reservation earmarked and the methodology if population is the sole criterion. Then the seats here for the valley with a population of 68.8 lakh 2011 census would stand at 51 and Jammu region with 53.5 lakh population at 39. The allocation seems to enhance the electoral prospects of the Jammu based parties at the cost of Kashmir based ones. Village parties have opposed the draft as unacceptable and divisive. And the question is legality. There is a national fridge on delimitation and the constitutional challenge to the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019, which is still pending before the Supreme Court. The situation in Ladakh, which was carved out in 2019 as a union territory without a legislature, is also comparable. Political groups are demanding statehood and specific constitutional guarantees on land, jobs, demography, and culture. Continuing arbitrariness and heavy-handed measures to repurpose the politics of Jammu and Kashmir may appear successful momentarily, but that may not be the sustainable route. A democratic path will necessarily involve more conversation and accommodative measures. Okay, thank you. We will meet in our next session. After 5 minutes, I will upload. Thank you.